Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Facial Spa Kit is probably one of the most exciting and transformative additions you can make to your self-care routine, offering a luxurious at-home spa experience that rivals professional treatments and allows you to indulge in rejuvenating facial therapies right in the comfort of your own home, making it an indispensable tool for anyone seeking to achieve radiant, healthy-looking skin with minimal effort and maximum results. Number 5. Vanilla Coconut Home Spa Set. Indulge in a luxurious spa experience right at home. This set has everything you need to relax and rejuvenate your body and spirit. Immerse yourself in the sweet and soothing scent of vanilla. Its rich aroma will transport you to a world of pure bliss. Experience the revitalizing benefits of coconut oil. It works wonders to moisturize and rejuvenate your skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Crafted with care, our products are made with moisturizing shea butter and nourishing vitamin E. They are safe and gentle, even for sensitive skin. Surprise the special woman in your life with this elegant gift package. It's the perfect way to show your love and appreciation on any occasion. This 9-piece set includes everything from fragrant lotions to luxurious bath bombs and a plush bath towel. It's a complete pampering experience. What we like. This luxurious set offers a delightful vanilla coconut fragrance, perfect for a pampering experience. It includes a generous 9 pieces of bath and body essentials. If you're looking for a complete spa day at home with a rich, soothing scent, this is an excellent choice for gifting or personal indulgence. What people say. The 9-piece set feels luxurious and thoughtfully put together, with a soothing scent that's relaxing without being overpowering. Every item arrived beautifully packaged and ready to gift, which made it perfect for birthdays, holidays, or self-care treats. The bath bombs are extra large and make the bath feel super soothing, and the lotion leaves my skin soft and moisturized without feeling greasy. Number 4. ZealSea 7-Day Variety Face Mask Set. Discover a new way to achieve radiant skin with our 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Each mask is designed to provide a unique skincare experience for your daily self-care routine. This multi-effect set features 7 distinct masks, each infused with powerful botanical extracts like aloe, green tea, and avocado. Rotate them daily for targeted hydration and a healthy glow. Formulated with natural ingredients, these masks replenish moisture and enhance your skin's comfort. They are perfect for anyone seeking consistent, effective skincare. Our skin-friendly formula is free from alcohol and parabens, making it suitable for all skin types, including dry, combination, and acne-prone. Enjoy gentle nourishment without irritation. Experience self-care that's kind to your skin and the planet. Our biodegradable mask sheets are made from 100% pure cotton, ensuring a comfortable fit and effective essence absorption. Loved by influencers and skincare enthusiasts alike, these masks are a social media sensation. Share your glowing results and see why everyone is talking about them. What we like. This kit provides a unique 7-day rotation of sheet masks, each with a different beneficial ingredient for daily hydration and glow. The masks are made from biodegradable cotton and are suitable for all skin types. If you enjoy a consistent, varied skincare routine and want to achieve a healthy-looking glow with gentle, eco-friendly products, this set is ideal. What people say. The masks are made from premium materials that feel soft and gentle on the skin. They are thoughtfully designed to adhere perfectly to your face, ensuring optimal absorption of the nourishing essence. After using the ZealSea sheet masks, my skin felt incredibly hydrated, refreshed, and revitalized. The masks effectively delivered the much-needed moisture boost, leaving my skin plump, smooth, and glowing. The gentle formula is safe for young skin, providing a soothing and enjoyable experience for kids while nourishing their delicate skin. Number 3. MAREE Collagen Facial Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. Experience deep moisturization and lasting hydration. These masks help your skin feel soft, supple, and maintain its moisture for a refreshed, glowing look. Our sheet masks are made from natural bamboo fiber, ensuring a comfortable fit. They are gentle enough for sensitive skin, making them a perfect addition to any skincare routine. Enjoy a luxurious spa experience in the comfort of your own home. These masks deliver a soothing and rejuvenating feel, leaving your skin revitalized. Turn your self-care into a delightful ritual with our vibrant face mask sheets. They offer an enjoyable and effective hydrating experience whenever you need a boost. Crafted to the highest standards, these masks are a reliable choice for hydration and comfort. Discover a trusted quality that's loved by many. What we like. Experience deep moisturization and hydration with these collagen and hyaluronic acid-infused masks. They are made from comfortable bamboo fiber sheets for a spa-like feel at home. If you desire soft, supple, and glowing skin with a touch of luxury, and appreciate gentle formulas for sensitive skin, these masks are a great addition to your routine. What people say. When you first apply these, try to lay down for 5-10 minutes to let it start absorbing before you get up and walk around. Leave on for 2 hours. When you take it off, your skin is smooth as glass. Fills in fine lines and makes my skin so soft, smooth, and with a dewy finish. Use it about once a week. Results are immediately visible. The masks are generously saturated with the nourishing serum, and they adhere snugly to the contours of the face. I appreciated the thoughtful design that ensured a comfortable fit, allowing me to go about my routine while treating my skin to a spa-like experience. Number 2. Almond Milk and Honey 10-piece Spa Self-Care Kit. Indulge in a complete spa experience with our 10-piece self-care package. It includes everything needed for a relaxing bath, from shower gel and bubble bath to luxurious bath bombs and a soothing steamer. This premium set is infused with the goodness of almond oil and honey. It's designed to invigorate your senses and provide exceptional care for your skin. Enriched with vitamin E and shea butter, it deeply moisturizes and protects your skin. Enjoy the anti-aging benefits and a calming aroma as you unwind. Celebrate the special women in your life with this ultimate relaxation gift. It's a beautiful and elegant present perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Presented in a beautifully wrapped handmade basket, this set also includes a personalized gift note card. It's ready to be gifted right out of the box. We are confident you will love this home spa gift set. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you and ensure your satisfaction. What we like. Indulge in a deluxe 10-piece spa set featuring a soothing almond milk and honey scent. It's enriched with vitamin E and shea butter for skin nourishment. If you're seeking a comprehensive home spa experience with moisturizing and anti-aging benefits, especially for dry or mature skin, this set is a wonderful treat. What people say. All the products feel gentle on the skin and leave it feeling moisturized and smooth. The scent is warm, soft, and not overpowering, which makes it very relaxing. All the products feel gentle on the skin and leave it feeling moisturized and smooth. Number 1. Jelly Mask Premium Modeling Spa Set. Discover the ultimate spa experience at home with our premium modeling jelly masks. This set provides everything you need for multiple rejuvenating treatments. Simply mix the powder with water to create a luxurious jelly mask. It's designed to adapt to any face shape for a perfect fit every time. Use it alone or with your LED mask for enhanced light therapy. It creates a seal that drives moisture and nutrients deep into your skin. Our masks provide full coverage, ensuring no area is missed, even around your eyes and lips. Enjoy a truly comprehensive treatment. Experience its benefits all over your body. It's perfect for face, legs, underarms, and more, offering versatile skincare solutions. Indulge in a premium formula designed for maximum effectiveness. Achieve spa quality results in the comfort of your own home. What we like. This unique peel-off jelly mask set offers a dermal infusion process, creating an occlusive layer to push nutrients deeply into the skin. It provides full coverage for the face and can even be used on the body. If you're looking for an advanced skincare treatment that maximizes absorption and offers versatile application for both face and body, this innovative mask set is perfect for you. What people say. The kit comes with multiple attachments for different skin concerns, including a cleansing brush, a microdermabrasion head, and a massager. It's easy to use and the different settings allow for customized treatment. The device is rechargeable and holds a charge for a good amount of time, making it convenient for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.